Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome your Vice President of Europe, Aidan O'Hare. Let's hear it for your forever president, Greg Morn. And now, the man with the vision, your forever founder and chairman of the board, the one and only, Mr. Rex Morn.
Are you excited to be here? What a thrill it is for Rex, Greg, and myself to join you in this beautiful city of Budapest.
Good afternoon, Europe!
That was really fantastic. Time to break out some profit sharing checks.
Now we're going to recognize our senior Eagle managers.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher, singing forever young, singing song underneath that sun. Let's rejoice in a beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. When I get older, I will be stronger.
moving over to the top 10 distributors of Europe.
Slovenija, odkud lepote tvoje, pozdravljamo tej srca in srečni tu smo doma, Slovenija.
And you know, this year, we had the first ever European Sapphire Eagle manager.
Diamond Sapphire managers! These people are very rare!
Hello forever! Don't let anybody tell you you can't do what you want to do. Don't let anybody tell you you can't be free, because forever will make you free.
So get ready.
205,257 euros. Oh my gosh, really good. 294,234 euros. the Spirit Award. The winner is FLP Scandinavia! All right, so let's be honest. There's 3 more checks.
So get ready.
335,524 euro. Hey, well done. 362,002 euros. Jay Leach and John Curtis from FLP UK.
What do you say? What do you say about this company and what it does for people around the world? We feel incredibly proud to be part of what Forever stands for.
You know, you don't get to be here with just your own efforts. This is a combined effort of a remarkable team.
So get ready.
5, number 5. Oh, Jane! That's a 1. Okay, next one. Whoa! 374,215 euros. All right, let's find out how much you gave away in total. 6,931,686 euros. Thank you, Europe. We love you, and good night.
So get ready.